Welcome to this short presentation of SERTICA Yacht by Rena Digital Solutions. SERTICA Yacht is a software product that covers areas of plant maintenance, certificates, simple procurement, electronic forms and document management for your yachts. Starting off the system, you get a nice dashboard that shows you an overview of your vessel. In this case, I have a couple of dots that show me that something might be wrong in the red area. If I click on my dots, I get an overview of, in this case, overdue jobs that need to be carried out. Dashboards also provide an overview as an example for the captain to show overdue jobs, upcoming jobs, and if any stock is low. SERTICA Yacht works online and it comes with an option of having an app that it can also run in an offline environment. This means that the crew could carry out their work using just an app. Easy overview of the rest is provided through these pictures. You can upload any picture you want, like general arrangement, and plot in the different areas of the vessel with what is most important to you. They are set up so that they show any alarm in the area that you've set up so that you can easily react based on the overdue jobs and so on. In this case, you might need to do some work. The menu to the left gives you access to your vessel and the functionality within the system. The structure of the equipment on board is built into a tree structure, in this case divided into something around engineering. We have something around deck equipment, interior and so forth. The structure here shows you easily the machinery, the jobs and any attached documentation that you might have. In this case, I've selected a main engine. As it shows here, we have an attached document. If I press this, it shows me the list of documents, and if I press this, it shows me the actual document within the system. So you can attach any type of document to any piece of equipment that is relevant. The same goes for certificates. The tasks or jobs that need to be carried out on board are shown in an easy list. You can select to view the list in different ways, and also as a calendar view showing you upcoming jobs on different days. When selecting a job, you get the details, descriptions, and so on. This was the quick preview of SERTICA Yacht. If you wish to learn more about how SERTICA can help optimize your performance, please visit our website sertica.com or watch our demo series on YouTube. For now, thank you for watching.